Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Costco beef pork meatballs with pasta and sauce. You can pick this up in their little take and bake section, and sometimes their labels are misprinted or they completely leave off the instructions, and if that happened to you or you're just a visual learner, I've got you covered. Today we're going to make these and we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your Costco take and bake tray of food. You're going to need some foil. You're going to need a sheet pan. If you don't have one, it's not the end of the world. You'll just have to be a little bit more careful. Then we're going to need a food thermometer to make sure that everything is cooked to temperature at the end of this. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're gonna take the plastic lid off of our tray. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we're gonna want to take our aluminum foil and cover it over our tray here. Now, I have the non-stick aluminum foil. There is cheese and stuff on here, so if you don't have non-stick foil, I would highly recommend spraying a little cooking spray on your foil before it touches your tray of food here. If you don't have that either, then I would just recommend giving a little extra space between your foil and your food. Just kind of give it a little cloud of space up there. Don't let it touch. Now we're gonna go ahead and place our tray of food onto our cookie sheet. If you don't have a cookie sheet, it's not the end of the world. Just be extra careful whenever you're putting it into the oven and removing. This is just to give you more stability and a bigger space to be able to get a grip on the product here. Now we're gonna pop this into the oven for their recommendation of 50 minutes, and we want our internal temperature, especially of the meatballs, to reach 165 degrees. I often find that the Costco take and bake takes longer to take it home and bake it than they recommend. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long this takes in my oven, but in the meantime, check this out. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. It has been 55 minutes. I did check this at 50 minutes and we were still about 20 or so degrees off from our recommended temperature. So I gave it 5 more minutes and we're gonna check. All right, I checked our meatballs and they're all reaching above 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so we are gonna call this done. Here's our completed beef and pork meatballs with pasta and sauce from Costco. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.